I'm going to try and film with
There's less rattles inside now though.
the gyroscopic camera.
He's gonna come with me, he'll come up with me and then he'll come back with you. Then he gets best of both worlds, Ken.
Yeah, okay.
Can compare sizes after.
Yeah. You'll like Josh's more.
We're at 0 miles an hour, so. We're just seeing that Volvo where I was like, "Nyeh."
So I've not been to a car show, well I say a car show, an Aberdeen for fucking years, because you know it's just not really my cup of tea. However, my pal Josh here, Josh the welder, kindly offered to pick me up and take me along, so there's probably going to be a lot of shite, but there might be a lot of good stuff as well, including Josh's K10 Micra that we're in.
Yeah.
Barbie, gonna get a wee. Fucking Jesus.
But Jesus, the new gearbox is good though, eh?
When you say all the things, say to me,
Yeah, boy.
that's what I'm trying to say. When you say all the things, say to me.
Was that good?
Yeah, that was
that good burnout?
That was not a good burnout.
Yeah. I can't.